Today we are traveling by train from Zurich to the beautiful Austrian city of Innsbruck. Along the journey, we will enjoy breathtaking scenery on both sides of the railway. Majestic mountains, cascading waterfalls, lush green landscapes, and charming houses that look like they belong in a postcard. Our train will stop at Sargans, Books and Feldkirch before continuing toward our destination. Every moment of this journey offers stunning views and unforgettable experiences. Finally, we will arrive in Innsbruck, a picturesque city nestled in the heart of the Alps. Hello friends, today our journey begins at Zurich Hauptbahnhof, the largest and busiest railway station in Switzerland. Every day, thousands of passengers travel through this station, and trains depart from here to many destinations across Switzerland and Europe. From Zurich, you can easily travel to countries such as Germany, Austria, France, and Italy by train. After a short wait, our train arrives at the platform. This is a modern German-operated train, offering a comfortable and pleasant travel experience. We board the train, find our seats, and prepare for our journey through some of Europe's most stunning landscapes. It is now 7 o'clock in the morning, and we haven't had breakfast yet. Fortunately, the train has a beautiful onboard restaurant. Instead of eating before departure, we decide to enjoy breakfast while traveling. The restaurant is elegant, clean, and very comfortable. Large panoramic windows allow passengers to enjoy spectacular views throughout the journey. We order a hot cup of coffee and a freshly baked 𝒎𝒄𝒉, the Swiss version of a croissant. The aroma of fresh coffee and warm pastry makes the morning even more enjoyable. As we sit by the window, enjoying our breakfast, the scenery outside becomes increasingly breathtaking. The train slowly leaves Zurich behind and passes through the beautiful Swiss countryside. We can see lush green fields, rows of trees, charming villages, and picture-perfect houses. In the distance, majestic mountains rise above the landscape, creating a truly unforgettable view. The peaceful atmosphere inside the restaurant, combined with the incredible scenery outside, makes this train journey a wonderful experience. Watching the green valleys, rolling hills, and traditional Swiss homes pass by while sipping coffee is simply magical. This is only the beginning of our adventure. Ahead of us lie more stunning landscapes, beautiful mountain valleys, and the breathtaking scenery of the Alps as we continue our journey toward Innsbruck. So stay with us and enjoy this unforgettable train ride from Zurich to Innsbruck. The view of Lake Zurich from the train is absolutely breathtaking. The crystal clear water, surrounded by lush green hills and charming villages, creates a truly unforgettable scene. Lake Zurich is one of the most famous and beautiful lakes in this region, attracting visitors from around the world throughout the year. As we continue our journey, we are getting closer to Sargans. In just a few minutes, we will arrive at the station where we need to change trains to continue our trip toward Innsbruck. We only have a 2-minute transfer time, so we need to be ready. But before we arrive, let's take a moment to enjoy the spectacular views of Lake Zurich and the stunning Swiss countryside passing by our window.
The train stopped at Sargans, and I quickly ran to catch the bus train. Just in time, I made it aboard. Friends, after arriving in Sargans, I board the Swiss train for the next part of the journey. This train is heading towards Gulland, but I will get off at Butz. The journey from Sargans to Butz takes only about 10 minutes. But the scenery along the way is absolutely beautiful. As soon as I stepped inside, I noticed how clean and well maintained the train is. Everything is spotless, modern, and comfortable. The seats are spacious, and passengers are sitting quietly, enjoying the peaceful ride. Outside the window, the views are simply stunning. Green fields stretch across the landscape, surrounded by mountains and charming Swiss villages. The large windows make the experience even more enjoyable, allowing passengers to take in every detail of the breathtaking scenery. The atmosphere inside the train is calm and relaxing. People are comfortably seated, some looking out the window, while others are reading or simply enjoying the journey. Watching the beautiful Swiss countryside pass by through the crystal-clear windows feels truly amazing. Although the trip to Butz is short, every minute offers a wonderful view and a memorable travel experience. Soon, we will arrive at Butz and continue our adventure toward Innsbruck.
Friends, we have now arrived at Butz station. It may be a small train station, but it is incredibly beautiful. Surrounded by mountains and charming houses, the area has a peaceful and welcoming atmosphere. Everything here is neat, clean, and well organized. In the distance, the majestic Alps rise above the landscape, while beautiful homes sit quietly at their foothills. The scenery looks like something straight out of a postcard. Although 𝒂𝒏 is not a large city, its natural beauty and tranquil surroundings make it a very special place. Standing here and taking in the views, I feel surrounded by the best of Switzerland's countryside. The peaceful environment, the mountains, and the picturesque houses make this place truly amazing. I am really impressed by the beauty of 𝒂𝒏. Friends, we are now traveling from 𝒂𝒏 to 𝒕k𝒂𝒕. During this short journey, our train will pass through Liechtenstein, one of the smallest countries in the world. Although it is an independent country, its landscapes and natural beauty are very similar to those of Switzerland. Along the way, we pass a beautiful border area before entering Liechtenstein. Outside the train window, breathtaking scenery unfolds before our eyes. Majestic mountains, lush green forests, wide open fields, and charming villages. Everywhere you look, nature is at its finest. The views are so peaceful and beautiful that they instantly create a sense of calm and relaxation. Watching the green valleys and towering mountains glide past the window feels truly magical. This journey through Liechtenstein is short, but the stunning scenery makes it an unforgettable part of our trip. Friends, our train will arrive at 𝒕k𝒂𝒕 station in just a few minutes. We have about 20 minutes here. So we decided to have our lunch before continuing our journey. 𝒕k𝒂𝒕 station is very clean, modern, and well organized. There are several shops inside the station where travelers can buy food, drinks, and other essentials. Many passengers are waiting on the platform, including quite a few who are traveling to Innsbruck, just like us. For lunch, we bought a sandwich from one of the station shops. We were getting quite hungry, so it was the perfect time for a meal. The sandwich was fresh, tasty, and really enjoyable. After eating, we felt refreshed and ready for the next part of our journey. Now we are waiting for our train to Innsbruck. Soon, we will continue our adventure through the beautiful alpine landscapes toward our final destination. At this moment, I am standing at the train station in the beautiful Austrian town of 𝒕k𝒂𝒕. The station is very clean, peaceful, and well organized. All around me, I can see travelers busy with their journeys. Some are getting off their trains, while others are waiting for their next destination. There is a lively yet relaxing atmosphere here. I have always enjoyed this unique feeling of travel. The excitement of new places, new experiences, and the anticipation of the journey ahead. Friends, the train journey from Feldkirch to Innsbruck is considered one of the most scenic railway routes in Austria. Throughout the trip, breathtaking views of the Alps unfold on both sides of the train. Towering mountains, lush green valleys, and cloud-covered peaks create a truly spectacular landscape. Along the route, you will see charming Austrian villages with traditional houses nestled at the foot of the mountains. Wide green meadows stretch across the countryside, where cows and horses can often be seen grazing peacefully, adding to the beauty of the journey. As the train continues through the Alpine region, you will pass crystal-clear rivers, mountain streams, and dense forests. On rainy days, countless small waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides, making the scenery even more magical and picturesque. From time to time, the train enters tunnels carved through the mountains, only to emerge into another stunning panorama. In the distance, snow-capped peaks rise above the landscape, while below them lie beautiful valleys and peaceful countryside views. The journey from Feldkirch to Innsbruck is much more than simple transportation. It is an unforgettable experience through the heart of the Austrian Alps. Every glance out the window reveals another postcard-perfect scene, making this one of the most beautiful train rides in Europe. Friends, I'd like to tell you something before we continue. It has been raining throughout our entire journey today. Since early morning, the sky has been covered with clouds, and raindrops have been gently tapping against the train windows from time to time. Surprisingly, the rain has made the scenery even more beautiful. The rain-soaked mountains, lush green forests, mist-covered valleys, and charming villages looked absolutely breathtaking. The combination of clouds, rain, and nature created a magical atmosphere that made the journey even more memorable. Friends, the train journey from Zurich to Innsbruck has been incredibly comfortable and enjoyable. Throughout the trip, we have been surrounded by breathtaking alpine scenery, green valleys, majestic mountains, rivers, and charming villages. The entire journey feels like traveling through a beautiful postcard. If you ever visit Switzerland or Austria, I highly recommend taking this train route. Sitting by the window and watching the spectacular landscapes pass 𝒖𝒄𝒉 is an unforgettable experience. After this wonderful journey, we are finally approaching Innsbruck. In just a few moments, we will arrive at our destination. It is still raining outside, and the rain has made the surrounding mountains and cityscape look even more beautiful. And here we are. Our train has arrived at Innsbruck main station. As soon as I step off the train, I notice how modern and impressive the station is. It is one of the busiest railway stations in the region. With thousands of passengers arriving and departing every day, the station connects Innsbruck with many cities across Austria and other parts of Europe. Inside the station, there are numerous shops, cafes, restaurants, and convenience stores. Travelers are enjoying a coffee, grabbing a quick meal, shopping, or waiting for their next train. The atmosphere is lively and full of energy. I am now walking from the platform toward the main exit of the station. Along the way, I can see many attractive shops on both sides. There are restaurants serving delicious food, souvenir stores, and a variety of retail shops. The bright lights, modern design, and busy environment make the station a pleasant place to explore. As soon as I step outside, I see the taxi stand, bus station, and tram stop right in front of the station. Everything is well organized and easily accessible. Innsbruck has an excellent public transportation system, making it easy for both locals and visitors to travel around the city. The buildings in front of the station are also very beautiful, surrounded by the stunning Alpine mountains. The city offers a perfect blend of urban life and natural beauty. The views are truly refreshing and relaxing. Just looking at the scenery makes you feel calm and amazed. Meanwhile, the rain has become heavier. I take a taxi to my hotel and continue enjoying the city through the window. The rain-soaked streets, glowing city lights, people walking with umbrellas, and the mist-covered mountains in the distance create a magical atmosphere. Filming through the taxi window while the raindrops gently fall on the glass feels like the perfect ending to an amazing day of travel. The beauty of rainy Innsbruck has added a special touch to this unforgettable journey. And with that, our incredible train adventure from Zurich to Innsbruck comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed traveling with me. In the next part of this vlog, we will explore the beautiful city of Innsbruck and discover more of its fascinating sights and attractions. So stay tuned and join me on the next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more travel adventures. Thank you for watching.